Hello, math class. Miss Warzeka here. Today we're going to work on a little bit of review with our rounding to the nearest 10 and also rounding to the nearest 100 on this activity sheet here. So I'm going to use an example since this is going to be one of your learning activities this week. So we're going to use my example here. Rounding to the nearest 10 and rounding to the nearest 100. We're going to start with rounding to the nearest 10. The first number we're going to do is the number 354. Now we're going to use the number 4 to help us round to the nearest 10. So if we look here at our little rounding mountain, our number 4 tells us to round down. So what we're going to do is we're going to round this down then to 350. To round to the nearest 100, we're going to use our helpful tens place. So we're going to look at the number 5 on our rounding mountain, and our number 5 tells us to round up to the next biggest number. So we're going to round our hundreds up. So our nearest 100 would be 400. Let's try number 763. So to round to the nearest 10, we're going to use our ones place. I'm going to use our key here. Our ones place value is a 3, so that means we're going to round down. So our number is going to be 760. Now let's use our tens place to help us round our hundreds. So if we have 763, that means we're going to round up to the next biggest number. So this is going to round us up to the next 100. So our 100 right now is 700. The next 100 is 800. Okay, this is kind of a new visual that I found that I thought might be helpful. Here is another one that we have used more often. It just doesn't have our hundreds on there as well, but you could use this tool. Oh my goodness. You could use this tool as well, and that will be linked in your learning grid. All right. Thanks, guys. Have fun doing your worksheet and send me a copy of it when you're done. All right. Bye.